Let's get it on.
You don't give a what, we don't give a what. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. You don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go.
Should. I ran a while. Oh. A little loud. That's what it is now. Straight pipe, basically. Hopefully soon I can make a video of it on. Hope I can get an aftermarket muffler by then. Alright, thank you.
Gotta go, you don't wanna party, then your ass gotta go. And you can ride to this motherfucker, bounce to this motherfucker, freak to this motherfucker.
Let's get it on.
Get it on the floor, get it on the floor. Get it on the floor, get it on the floor.
Once again, it's the darker nigga. Hit a spark